Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a group in your Kahoot account. So let us guide you through this. So head over to Kahoot, log into your account and click into the group tab on the left hand side. Here on the left you will see groups you have already joined or groups you have created. You can create your own one. To do that, click into create group here just below the groups you're already a member of. Give it a name like my Kahoot group or something like that. Confirm. And after that you will see the group here. So you can, for example, rename it here, access the group info, view the member list and invite members, create posts, delete the group, leave the group, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. Now there is a setup, for example, that may show you how to set up your group properly, how to create posts, but we're also going to show you how to do that in other tutorials as well, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time on our channel.